Hello class 10. Today we are going to do the next part of the Union Parliament, which is Lok Sabha. As we know that the Union Legislature comprises of the President and the two Houses of Parliament, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So the Lok Sabha is also known as House of People. And why it's so? Because people are directly involved in electing them and they represent us in the Lok Sabha. So via universal result franchise, in earlier classes you must have learned that those who are adult, they vote and choose their representative because they have the majority to differentiate between the right and the wrong. So the composition is around, the limit is, maximum limit is 552, you can see here, and it can't exceed more than that, where 530 are coming from state and 20 are coming from union territories, and not more than 2 can be chosen by the President of India. Currently the strength of Lok Sabha is 545, you can see here, including 2 seats reserved for Anglo-Indian community. So the total elective membership is distributed among the state in the proportion of their population. What does it mean? Like, according to the land mass and the population, the for example, UP is the one of the biggest state in India. So the seat allotted to UP will be more than Goa, because the population of Goa is not as much as UP. So according to their population, the seats are divided. So the composition we have already said. How many people are there now? Term of house, it is almost 5 years, and it can be dissolved before that also. We have discussed in class 8 that whenever coalition is there, coalition means more than 2 party, when 545 to make the government, you need to have a majority, okay, majority of seats, then only you can form the government. But there are cases when one party is not able to get that number, the majority number. So 2-3 party who have almost same ideology, they come together and form the government. So sometimes there are dispute between these coalition parties and they might withdraw their support. In that case, before the time period, it can be dissolved. Lok Sabha can be dissolved.